What was the meaning of that charade you just put up back there? What was it?
That lady's name is Philomena. And she is my new wife that would bear me children.
Look at you. Take a good look at yourself. You brought that local thing to replace me. How? How?
At least she is a real woman. Unlike you, my fellow man in a woman's skin.
What have I done to deserve this from you? My love, what have I done? I have given you everything. I have endured everything just because of the love I have for you. I'm not God that gives children. He will give us our own when the time comes.
When is the time? For how long am I going to wait for a seed to sprout on a rocky ground you call womb? For how long?
You know what? I am tired. I just came back from the market. I don't have strength for this. Let me just change it to something else. My clothes. Where are my clothes? Baby, where is my clothes?
That reminds me. I have moved your filthy properties to the guest room. That is where you will be operating from now henceforth. And if you do not behave yourself, I will throw you out of my house.
My heart is bleeding. Oh dear, my heart is bleeding. Enough for why if I am wipe your tears and cry no more. Unrakoronya, Virginia Gagaraya, weeping men dear, just for a night. What joy to you in the morning? Oh dear, my heart is bleeding. Stop crying, stop weeping. Only make you stronger, stronger. Oh
Alisa Amaka, wake up.
Mama, good morning.
Good morning. Wait. Don't tell me you slept here last night and you left your wife all alone in your room. What happened to your room?
Which wife? Mama, that thing you brought to me had the temerity to use my duvet to wipe her catarrh. Imagine messing my best spread up with her flu.
She did what?
The worst part of this whole thing is that she snores like a pig. I couldn't even sleep for a second.
You have to calm down, my son. Calm down. I will go and speak to her.
Mama,
okay?
Mama, this thing is not going to work. I'm telling you. You see, this arrangement is not working.
My son, don't you trust your mother again? Don't you trust me? You have to listen to me. See, the most important of all is for her to conceive. Let her conceive, give us children. Other things doesn't matter. That's the most important. To give us kids, to give us children. Don't worry. Let me go and talk to her. Don't worry. You have nothing to worry.
Ever since she came into the house, it's been serious body odor everywhere. Everywhere stinks.
Don't worry. I will buy roll-on for her. I will buy roll-on and I will buy perfumes for her. We will package her. Let her just give us what we want. So bad. What is wrong with you? Why have you chosen to destroy the path I set for you for my son to marry you? Why?
Mama, what I do again?
Just look at you. You are cleaning your nose with a duvet and a pillow. It's not handkerchief. Another thing. Look at the way you were snoring. What was that? You have to reduce the way you snore. Your husband is not happy with you. He's very angry.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You have to say that to your husband, not to me. Listen very well. You have to go to him. Tell him, I am sorry. I will not repeat what I did last night.
I sorry. I repeat what I did last night.
Is that what I said? Listen, I said, I am sorry. I will not repeat what I did last night.
Sorry. I'll repeat what I did last night. What I did last night, I repeat. I sorry. I sorry. Yes. I repeat what I did last night. I sorry. I sorry. I did last night. Yes.
Husband mo.
What are you doing here? Eh? Have you come to mess up my couch with your dirty stinking flu?
I sorry. I sorry. I will do what I did last night again. I sorry.
Dirty mistake.
Husband me. I say I sorry. I will do what I do last night again. I did. Huh? But Mama say I will do what I did last night again. I sorry my husband me.
What is the meaning of this? Why are you making food on the dining table? I'm asking you, what happened to the kitchen?
I can't cook you there. I will cook you here.
It is you that will cook there. What is wrong with you? Can't you see the whole house is smelling? What is wrong with you? What kind of bacteria are you spreading in the raw food that you're supposed to make? What is the meaning of this? Look, a pot on the dining table. Oh Lord, God, no, this is not happening. Mama! Will you take this whole nonsense to the kitchen? Mama! Oh, Mama, where are you?
Huh? Cook you here, cook you here. Cook you here, cook you here. I no cook you here, I cook you here. Here you enter where? Here I no cook you there. Heat, you go kill me there. Husband, food is ready. Food don't land.
Nah, let's go and eat.
Mama, may God forbid that I eat anything prepared from that kitchen.
That's too harsh. Coming from, as in for your wife to be. It's too harsh.
Ask her how she cooked the food. I saw this local breed itching her breast and her buttocks and her armpits. And she did not even bother to go wash her hands. Mama, she was busy sneezing into the vegetable that she was going to use to prepare food for me to eat.
Don't tell me that.
That's what you want me to eat?
Yes.
Will you shut up? Shut up, you're saying yes. My son, please.
You're looking for who to kill. It's not me.
Yes.
Yes to you too. Hi. Just look at.
No. I sorry. I sorry. I will do what I did last night again.
Shut up! My son, please. Don't worry. Don't disturb yourself. Let me quickly rush to the kitchen and prepare something better for you to eat, okay?
Mother, you don't understand. I am not going to eat any meal prepared in this kitchen until I call the fumigation company to come and fumigate the kitchen and the entire house of bacterial infection.
Exactly.
I am going to eat outside. There is a very beautiful restaurant down the road. I can just go there, spend my money and eat something delicious. I'm fine. both of you can enjoy the meal.
Okay. But what do you mean? Will you shut up? Have you seen what you caused?
Everything about this breed is irritating. Please get out of my way before you infest me with bacteria and syphilis.
Have you seen it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you worthless?
Yes.
Are you foolish?
Yes.
Are you senseless?
Yes.
Did your mother not teach you cleanliness?
You teach me. You teach me.
Will you shut up? Shut the ass you call mouth! Look at what you just caused.
Yes.
You made my son now to go upstairs. He will go out to eat while you are here.
Yes.
Is this how it's going to work? Huh? Local urchin.
Yes.
Nitwit.
Yes.
Yes, you dear. Stupid you. Your mother did not teach you. Is it to Salon Biema? Is that how you behave in the village?
No, Mama, I scratched my...
Shift
I scratched my palaver. Nah.
You smell. You irritate me.
Yes, ma'am.
Not anyhow human dog, but my own. My own. I told you to watch your back, but you refused. You have failed the test. Hmm? Yeah.
This is not the end of this.
Okay.
It's not!
Oh. Okay. This is not the end of it, Abi. I wait for another one.
Uncle is supposed to be massaging the ankle.
Anytime somebody's hand touches you.
Because the blood is very young. It's still flowing.
Cha-cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha.
What is smelling like this?
Answer him now. Why are you like that?
Why are you crying?
What happened to you? What put on your body?
Can't believe poor human don't on me.
What? Come close. Stay there. I want you to stay away from that Kambili. She's the enemy of this family. Eh? What are you doing with this?
Kambili!
She put this on you?
It's alright. That Kambili, I will get it hot with her today. God damn! God damn!
Go inside and go have your bath. Go that side now, face there. What are they doing now? Hey, it's okay, she will away. Go hurry up now. Put it in. Smear everywhere. Hurry up. Put it in.
Yes, I was just coming to your house.
Huh? And you know you're not welcome in my house.
Oh, who told you I was coming to your house for pleasantries or courtesy visit? You think I was coming there to come and parley with you? I was coming to come and warn you and your daughter. What's that again? Is it a company or so? I was coming to warn you and her to stay away from my granddaughter Chimwanya. If you don't, then I will show you who I am.
Is that why you are boiling as if you want to kiss someone?
Aye.
Your granddaughter is very, very disrespectful. That's why she taught her the lesson of her life. A bitter one at that.
I am boiling. No, you have the mouth to say I'm boiling. Anyway, I know your family is angry. Very bitter because my son refused to marry your daughter. Now let me warn you. If the whole community cooks for you and your family, you won't be able to finish it. Tell your daughter to stay away from my granddaughter. If not, I will so deal with all of you. You will not believe what I will do.
I'm waiting for you.
You're waiting?
Yes, I'm waiting for you.
No, you have the cause to tell me you're waiting.
I'm waiting.
It's all right. We shall see.
Hold on. Don't celebrate yet because the game isn't over.
You vanquished dragon. Why don't you give up?
I have dealt with people more bigger than you and traveled than you. You're just a small rat.
What's going on here?
Thank God you're here. Why don't you ask this loser you call a friend how she threw human dunk on me the other day?
What? Kambili?
Well, I just came here to tell you that the battle line just began. And wait for my strike. I promise you, you won't see me coming. Rubbish.
Just look at how you're downgrading yourself. That this little girl is talking to you as if you both are mates. Relax, see. Are you scared? She can't do anything. Anything! She cannot do anything. Relax yourself.
Maya, today is our village Afro festival. No woman nor a girl child is allowed to leave the house.
If they do, what will happen?
This village dreaded masquerade, Alamiri, will flog that person mercilessly that even you cannot imagine it. If only
So you're trying to say that if the masquerade sees anyone, any woman, he's going to flog the person?
Yes. Why are you sounding like this? You think I'm playing, right? I am very serious. It is believed that the masquerade is a spirit. Yes. But there is always a man that stands beside it to speak to it spiritually. To tell the masquerade what to do and what not to do. If you leave the house, the masquerade will flog you.
I pity those that will come out.
I pity you if you go out. Don't be a victim. Stay at home. Did you hear me?
Okay, Mama.
Hurry up and finish picking this thing. Let me go and rest. Okay. See these ones. Pick.
Rest hello.
As long as I'm not resting in peace.
Small but right, smartness no be size. Silence no be weakness. To one way, bookie malwa. Small but right, smartness no be size. Silence no be weakness. To one way, bookie malwa. Small but right.
Abomination.
What happened?
What are you doing outside? Don't you know what today is? Why are you new in this village?
I'm looking for Alamiri masquerade.
You are looking for Alamiri masquerade?
Yes, I am.
See, look around. You can see that everywhere is dry. See, let me tell you, if you know what is good for you, better run home now while you still have legs. Run home now, no. I've told you my own, no. Run home!
Enjoy your food, Omega, Fanya Canodo, Otagalo, Obi-Wan. Vam 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 ichukwa nsogbu onye gị nsogbu ịchọ ya okwu omege ife anya bụ nkịta aka n'ọdụ
But please now, what is wrong, eh? But today is not our for market dinner.
Have you seen what you've caused? You poor human don't come me first. If you want to look for my trouble next time, you don't remember the beating that the masquerade gave you. You will not dare to look for my trouble. Do you hear me?
Smartness no be size. Silence no be weakness. To one way, bookie, malware. Small but height. Smartness no be size. Silence no be weakness. To one way, bookie, malware. Small but height. Smartness no be size. Silence no be weakness. To one way, bookie, malware. Bobby, Bobby, Bobby. Bobby, I try up on some little Bobby, I need to follow away. Bobby, 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 I try up on some I need to follow away. Manini and Sabu, Onyaki Sabu, enjoy up, Omega, Fire cannot do, Otagalo, Bobby, Van Vanichuan Sabu, Onyaki Sabu, enjoy up, Omega, Fire Monkey cannot, Otagalo. Vam, vam, vam. She's wise and brave, don't take her for granted. Echikwana Bobby, Mary Feburebu, Auntie Koi Koi, Auntie Pancake. She's not a fearful child. You know, God, she knows her right. Don't play with her. She's small but mighty. Bobby Mwa. Small but mighty. Smartness no be size. Silence no be weakness. To one way, bookie, malwa. Small but right. Smartness no be size. Silence no be weakness. To one way, bookie, malwa. Small but right. Smartness no be size. Silence no be weakness. To one way.
Flogged you. Alamiri, the masquerade flogged me mercilessly. If I laugh now, you say that I'm laughing at you, that I'm a bad friend. You grew up in this village and you are yet to know that every Afro festival, no female is allowed to step out of their house. But I didn't now. I didn't go. What do you mean you didn't? If you didn't step out of your house, how did they now flog you? I don't know. But somehow they were on Chimoya's side. Chimoya? You see? I've been telling you to stay away from that girl, but you wouldn't listen. Now they have flogged the hell out of you. Sorry. No, I really underestimate that girl. But from now henceforth, I will never disturb her and her family again, I swear. You are telling me sorry, you did not offend me, but I'm happy they flogged some sense into your brain. Yeah? Hey, yeah. Oh, yeah, now. Hey, okay, sorry, Jesus. It's
She's wise and brave, don't take her for granted. Echikwana Bobby, Mary Feburebu, Auntie Koi Koi.
My husband, I heard that Alamiri masquerade flogged Kambili to reckless abandon.
Who told you that?
Eh?
Huh?
Hey!
Kambili knows the tradition of our people. And there is no way she will venture leave her house on Afro Festival Day. So why would masquerade flog her?
I saw her dress her wound at Oluchi's chemist shop In fact, she was the person that told me everything. She said the masquerade attacked her on a normal day, as if it was on a secret mission. So it wasn't even on a festival day.
That's because no sinner goes unpunished.
No sinner goes unpunished. I believe what you said.
Hey, this is good news. Now she has boxed herself inside a cooler, and she will never dream of disturbing us again. At least for now. Eh? Oh, see flogging. Etawai.
I'm sure what I did to her, she'll never look for my trouble again as long as she's still in this village.
You did?
You did it?
She's wise and brave, don't take her for granted. Echikwana Bobby, Auntie Koi Koi, Auntie Pancake. She is not a fearful child. She knows her right. Don't play with her. She's small but mighty. Bobby One.
You're not sleeping? Why are you not sleeping?
How do you expect me to sleep when my daughter is missing?
But she's with your parents. She's in safe hands.
Well, she ought to be here. This is her father's house.
I wanted to let the cat out of the bag tomorrow. But it seems this is the perfect time. I am pregnant.
You what?
I'm pregnant.
Pregnant? Are you serious?
Very serious.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you telling me that you're pregnant?
Yes. So please, can we go back to sleep?
Wait first. You're serious?
Babe, I can't be joking now. I am.
You just made me the happiest man on earth. Thank you. I'm so happy. I'm happy again. Oh my God. I can sleep now.
Philomena! Just look at how your dirty filthy underwears is littered all over my room. Oh, will you shut up? Shut up! So it has gotten to the point that I will have to remind you to wash your dirty underwears? Will you take this nonsense outside and go wash them? Are you mad? Will you take this nonsense and get out of here?
Sorry, our husband.
What nonsense? Make sure this nonsense doesn't happen again! Heck!
blind? Village local thing. Hello, Ne. No, it's Jesus. What is wrong with you?
Why you can't enter my water?
How on earth did I enter your so-called water? What is your problem?
But you enter them now.
Listen, I know my husband brought you here to torment me. But let me warn you, stay off my path. Stay clear from me, else you will not like what I will do to you.
Just bring your mouth down. Now me they talk to.
Who are you? No, who are you, this local village thing? Who are you?
Utoma, local what? No allow make I show you why they call me Philo. The fighter for my village. If I show you, you see, pikin we know how to born. You know fi born am. Pikin we be say everybody go just bring am from here. Pikin go cry. Nga. You reach your turn, your own con dey hard. Eh? Now me they talk to.
You know what? You can say whatever you want. I'm not God that gives children. But please, do not sprinkle water on me next time. Don't, because I will not take it easy with you. Hey! Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? What is your problem? What is your problem? Look at my body. What is your problem?
Eh? Are we mad? You talk Are we mad?
What is your problem? Oh, you want to fight me? Yeah. You want to fight me? Oh yeah, move. I will beat you. Move. I will beat you. Move. What is this? Hey! Oh, you want to kill her because you know you are barren. You want to kill her? Fool, eh? You want to kill her because you know you are barren. Come on to born, you cannot. Now this person that wants to give me grandchildren, you want to kill her. It will not work for you. Mama, I cannot ask what the problem is. What is the problem? I was passing, I was on call. And she just poured water on me for what? Hey! You can learn!
Mama! I don't want to enter my water.
Why did you enter her water? Why did you enter her water? Are you blind? Can't you see road? Which one did I enter? Which water did I enter? I didn't enter her water. I was just passing, Mama. I was just passing. Then where is the water she poured on you?
You can't tell me, are we mad? Are we mad?
What's this whole noise? What's going on here?
Is it not this your barren wife? Eh? This your barren wife wants to kill my daughter-in-law.
Want to kill her? Why would you want to kill her? Are you mad? You want to kill her?
You must die. You must die.
Are you crazy? What's wrong with you? Do you want me to dismantle you? You want to kill her because you can't give birth to children? You can't give me a child, and you want to kill the one that is going to give me the child. You think I came here to laugh with you? Get out of my house! Where are you? Why are you coming here? Wait! Get out of my house! Fool! Listen! I don't want to see anything that looks like in my house. You couldn't give me a child because you are barren, and you want to kill the woman that's going to give me a child. Get out! Out!
I beg of you, please.
I said, get out of my house.
Please, put me out of this house, please. My husband, please.
Does it look like I'm talking with you? I don't want to see anything that looks like you. Where I will crush you. Get out.
Please,
out of my house. Out of my house.
Forgive me. I told you.
Open that gate.
My husband,
Get out of my house. If I see anything that looks like in my house, I will kill you. Close this gate. Close this gate.
And you, it's okay. Inside.
Yes, we mad. Now we mad.
She is the one that is mad.
Are we mad?
We are not mad.
Yeah, we mad.
She is the one.
Yes.
Let us go.
Wipe your tears and cry no more. Weeping endure just for a night, but joy coming to you in the morning.
You see, now that Jezebel has finally left this house, this is the best time for you to strike and possess your possession. Okay?
Mama, this your son house fine, oh. See my uncle.
Will you shut up and listen to what I'm telling you?
What I do?
See, the number one thing you're supposed to do now is to work on your English. How to speak fluent English. My son don't like illiterates.
I hear you.
Now is the best time for you to make him marry you. Because if he does not marry you now, I'm not sure he will ever do it.
Okay. What I do?
Is not what I do. The best way to say it is this. What will I do? Or what do I do?
Okay. What do I do? What do I do? Or will? What did I do? Or will?
Okay. What will I do? Okay.
Will I do?
This is not marriage. I do. What will I do? Okay. Don't worry. Forget about that one. The best thing for you to do is to listen to me. I am here for you. I will guide you. I will teach you. You just have to do everything I ask you to do, and you will succeed.
Yes.
You will possess your possession.
Yes.
You are the one that says that my son's house is fine.
If I know.
If you do what I ask you to do, it will be your house. You will be the madam of this house. Now, come. Bring your ear. Let me tell you what to do.
My heart is bleeding. Oh dear, my heart is bleeding. Enough for why if I am enough. Wipe your tears and cry no more. Weeping men, dear, just for a night.
What happened? Mama, she has finished me. She has finished me. She brought in another woman.
What?
For my husband. My husband then asked me to leave our room and move into the guest room so he can have his privacy with the new woman.
I cannot believe this.
Wait.
Juliana has succeeded in tearing your home apart.
Wait. Are you saying that as we speak right now, that lady is still in the house?
Oh, Yobun.
She is. The worst part is the lady in question. She's always looking for my trouble. She's always looking for my trouble. I've tried to avoid her so many times. Then, I was on my own. She just sprinkled water on me. The dirty water she used to wash clothes, she sprinkled it on me, and when I confronted her, she started beating me up. My mother-in-law came, my husband, all of them joined her to beat me. They beat.
It's okay, my ears are tingling. As you have given this story, my ears are tingling. Take her inside.
See, you are now in your father's house. Nobody will come here and hurt you. Mana Juliana, let's go inside. The Bezina, you will get it.
It's okay.
The Bezina, you are in safe place now. Don't worry. Let me go.
Come back, I will carry them. Take her inside. After you say, don't take her off you.
Papa, please, you called me, yes, so if you want to tell me whatever you want to tell me, be fast about it. Make it snappy so I can go back to the city and take care of my wife. Biko.
Like seriously?
Seriously.
I should take it snappy? This boy has developed wings. In any case, it's been a while since you asked after your daughter. You've not even given a call to find out how she's doing, and we are not happy about it.
I've been here severally to take her along with me, but she refused going with me. You people do not want to release her to me. What do you want me to do? Eh? I've tried my best. She can stay here for all I care. I've tried.
Will you shut up? Will you shut up that your stupid mouth? Exactly. It is obvious that your stupid wife has been brainwashing you and feeding you with so much negativity.
Mama, you can call me names. You can insult me. But please, do not call my wife names.
If she does, what will you do?
Maybe slap me.
Aren't you ashamed of yourself? This is the only thing your late wife entrusted to you before her demise. The only thing left of her memory, and you can't take care of her. You should be ashamed of yourself.
You are ashamed of yourself. You left your husband's house. You're here, your parents' house, chilling, relaxing, here talking rubbish. You should put that energy and go back to your house and make it work. Not coming here to tell me that I'm ashamed. You should be the one ashamed of yourself. They can't change working. I can't nonsense.
My friend, the other was thrown into the dark. No matter why. And you will not say something, Akachi. Say something, you're the man of the house.
Please, if there's something else you people want to say it. I want to go back to the city and take care of my pregnant wife.
Oh! This is what all this is all about. Your pregnant wife. Manakamu, we won't take care of her. Oh! You don't know that a bird at hand is worth more than $1 million in the bush.
Exactly, Mama.
She will give birth to God, not a baby.
I have to go back to the city now.
Hey, hold it, young man! Okay.
One more step, and I will show you that I'm your father. How dare you? How dare you walk out on me? Disrespect me in the presence of my family. Let this be the first and the last time you will disrespect me like that. This meeting is not over. Idiots!
Papa, see, if there's nothing important to talk about, please, I need to go.
Really?
Go.
Move, let me see. Move to where? Move, let me see.
Can't you stop this boy?
You shouldn't let me go, right? Uneji remote pim pom. Yeah? You people want to press me, control me, right? I'm leaving. Oh, you're pausing me here.
No, try it.
Papa.
Leave, let me see.
Papa, stop him. I know him very well. I know him very well. Once he enters that car, you don't go. If he goes now, that is it.
You don't have
Let him try it.
You don't have anything to say. Yeah?
Papa, he's going, you know.
Papa, I play myself, I move.
Move now, let me see.
Papa, he's going. Papa, do something.
I'm leaving.
Akashi. You know, I know him very well. He will go. Would you do anything? I'm not going to come.
You know he's very tall.
Papa, forget about his height. Forget about that. Can't
you see that I'm an old man? What do you mean? You want me to go outside the young man?
at him now, not Mama. You be shouting at your son.
You be the one shot. You were the one who made her to leave me. Who made him to leave me? You be shouting.
You have paused me on my way back, and I stop and have an accident. Yeah?
Wakey. Good morning, baby. Get up and have your breakfast.
What did you make?
I made tea and bread for you.
That's so romantic of you.
You're welcome. Okay? Go ahead and...
Breakfast in bed.
Yeah. You know? Okay.
Is it hot?
Very hot. The way you like it.
Well, I don't know what the problem is. I mean, it's been a while. And your father has not thought it wise to give us a call to at least know how you are faring. I mean, this is not fair.
That's an evidence to show you that he doesn't love me anymore. I don't want to go back to him. I want to stay with you and Grandma.
Don't talk like that. Look, your father loves you so much. That I can tell. It's just that he's been manipulated. Look, you can come to visit us anytime you like, okay? But for you to live with us permanently is not good. When your father is still alive, I know. Alright?
My father rejected me because of the infidel he calls a wife that is pregnant.
Ah, come on. Don't talk about your stepmom like that. After all, the baby she's carrying in her womb is still your sibling. Huh?
Grandpa.
Yes.
I want you to do something for me.
What is it?
I want you to call my stepmom and my dad. Tell them that it's a matter of life and death. First day tomorrow they should be here.
Life and death? Who is living and who is dying?
Grandpa, when the time comes, you will know. Please just tell them.
Yes. Wetin come be this one now? Why you can't change? Bring that man out. Bring that man where they show. Bring him, make you the show.
Will you shut up and allow me here? Don't you know that this is my son's house? The television belongs to him, the house belongs to my son. So you cannot order me around.
Ha! Wahala. This one don't come over. You want make I show you? You want make I show you? Are we mad? Say, are we mad? Bring that man.
Is something wrong with you?
I no wan hear anything wey they talk. Bring that man where they make me laugh here. Bring him.
Philomena.
Bring that man.
Are you insane? I don't blame you.
You go no say.
I blame myself for bringing you from the village, brushed you up, even though you don't want to be brushed up. Now you have the audacity to talk back at me.
Okay. You go no say, are we mad now? If you not bring that man out now, that man where they show us, you go see waiting.
So for you to go to such extent, it means what you want to tell us is something of utmost importance. So, we're all ears. Talk to us.
Thank you, Papa, for the honor. Thank you, Maziobi, for coming.
You are welcome, my daughter.
What's the meaning of this? Huh? Anyway, whatever you have to say, make it snap. Because I need to be in the city ASAP. My unborn child cannot withstand the harsh weather in this village.
Yay!
Oh!
I don't intend to take much of your time. When my father married you into our home, I thought you were the best mom anyone could ever have.